Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can remove your Apple device from your Apple ID. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to be in the app library, and after that just go to the search panel and search for Find My over here. Open it, and now you can see your devices. So in order to remove them, just tap on them and scroll a bit down, and you can see this option, remove this device, at the last. You can see this right below, erase this device. You can either choose to erase this device or you can just remove the device from your Apple ID. So guys, that's how you remove your device from your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.